Well, one of the advantages of being a Dell Pro Max ambassador is unboxing day, and I have received a lot of boxes today, so I'm going to show you what's in them. First things first. Thing one. Okay, so the next thing. Not sure what's in here. Ooh, it's like a lucky dip. Ooh, camera. Keyboard. So let's see what the keyboard's like. We've got our keyboard, batteries included, mouse, batteries included. Ooh. Ooh, very nice. Headphones. Ay, caramba. Oh, big box. Let's see what we got. There's a big beast of a machine. This might just look like a normal desktop tower computer. The difference with this one is that it's absolutely solidly filled with some of the most powerful processing power. This one is called a Dell Pro Max T2 tower. Let's start with the C central processing unit. So the CPU is an Intel Core Ultra 9 285K. So we're already off to a good start just with the central processing system. The RAM behind this is 128GB DDR. Then we get into the storage, because the kind of things that I'm going to be doing with this over the next few weeks are going to require it. This one's equipped with a 7.45TB ultra-fast SSD, very fast access to that storage, which is going to be really necessary because of what's going to be drawing on that. And this is where it starts to get really exciting, because this one has a GPU in it. Well, it's a very powerful GPU. It's NVIDIA's brand new RTX Pro 6000 Blackwell. It's actually accelerated by Intel's AI Boost and a GNA accelerator. So this is, I know that's a lot of numbers and letters for those of you who are not au fait with this, but for those of you who are, you're probably thinking, well, that's quite a powerful thing. What are you going to be doing with it? What I'm planning to do with this is I'm going to run it on digital twins of a scale that you would normally need to use a cloud hosted system to power. I'm going to use it to try to run edge AI systems like predictive analytics and predictive maintenance systems. I'm also going to use it for processing Gaussian splat and LiDAR combinations. So these are just very, very realistic 3D models of extremely large environments that have been captured with special handheld devices called SLAM scanners. Simultaneous location and mapping, that stands for. Normally, to process a model like that could take 12 hours to render on most even quite powerful machines in my lab. This one I'm hoping is going to be able to do it a bit faster, but let's see how much faster. The purpose of GPUs is graphics and models and obviously AI systems. A lot of the time we're at the mercy of cloud-based systems. And why would we not want to be at the mercy of cloud-based systems? Because they're far away, you have to pay for them. They are not always reliable, as we're finding out recently. They've been going down quite a lot, and they're not secure. Okay, it doesn't really matter how secure you try to make them, there's always the point from A to B. And that's the weak point. And with all that information pinging backwards and forwards for large distances, that slows the whole process down quite dramatically. If you can be running the whole thing from your office or from your building, then you increase the security, you increase the speed. That's what I'm going to be testing over the next few weeks with this. And that's really why I was so excited about the unboxing, much as I'm loving all the peripherals that I'm going to be using with this in the lab. So watch this space, and I'll show you a number of quite interesting applications for a system like this. I think you're going to enjoy it. See you soon.